Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your ZTE Blade 10 Prime, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type LED keyboard. We are going to use application from the ZTE Studio, this one. Let's install. Right now we can open. Click to get started, then tap OK. Click on the LED keyboard switcher, click OK another time. And another, go for the input options, switch to LED keyboard. Right now we can choose LED keyboard, so go for the RGB full, for example, click to download the theme. And the theme was applied, so just check how it looks. And as you can see, our keyboard theme has changed. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!